Okay, this is looking good. I like that you've painted in some dirt and scratches. One thing I've noticed with your bumps is that um, they're bumping outward, and I think a lot of these might look better if it was going in rather than out. Um, like it's a crease more than a ripple. So, um, like select this and go to the material and then go to bump. Um, where's the bump? Here. And then just click this output connection and change the bump depth to -1. And now those are going in rather than out. I sort of like that. It seems like that might work better for some ears. I don't know. So it's more of a crease than a. I think the dirt and scratches is good. It looks a little bit, I don't know, sort of randomly put on there. I think. Yeah, and again, like something like that, I feel like could be. See if we like it better as something going inward rather than outward. Whoops. Um, maybe. Certainly for one like that, that looks like it's meant to be a dent. The leather is looking better. Um, I think that's looking good. Let me just see the. I might. I kind of conceptually like the idea of what you're doing here, but I think you could just use some more detail on those eyebrows. You might want to put, um, some kind of pupil or iris on the eye, like if you're doing black eyes, maybe put a white down on it or something. Um, yeah, I can see you've got like a seam going on this. That's good, and there's some kind of fabricy texture on there too, which is good. Um, yeah, I mean, I think this is overall good work. I guess I don't like the. Sometimes this brush strokes look a bit too kind of maybe even and too a little thick. Maybe some thinner line. Like it just seems like a lot of it looks like a paintbrush has been applied more than a scratch has been made. So I thinking, some of the stuff I like better is like that. And I think, for example, the width of the brush varies from the tip to the middle to the end, and I think that tends to help. I like some of the pattern brush stuff here. I think helps a little bit, um, and I think some of these marks a little bit draw attention to themselves. So there's a lot that are sort of at the same angle and the same width, but also, if the character's at a further distance, you don't notice that as much anyway. I think there's some good color variation on the face. Um, yeah, and just remember that it's often on the kind of the corners and stuff where you see wear and tear. So like along this kind of corner area, or maybe on those edges, where his helmet may have butted up against stuff. It's those places where you'll see wear and tear more, along this bottom ridge and that which you've done some of. Yeah, so generally very good.